And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year day 226. Let me show the squeeze warp. You will find it under Effect, Warp. It's almost at the bottom. And we have horizontal and vertical available, but the interesting thing is that this isn't really needed because it's the bend that does it. For example, here vertical in a positive direction is the same as horizontal in a negative direction. And then vice versa, horizontal in a positive is the same as vertical in a negative. It simply flips it from top to bottom to a squeeze from left to right. In this case, the distortion works, so we can use that for horizontal and vertical. Let me apply it to a text element. And it's the same principle here, so horizontal positively is the same as vertical in the negative direction. I don't want to distort it, I'll just keep it to around 51% and I'll confirm. And this is how you can use the squeeze warp in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.